Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about solving radical equations. And when we say radical, we really just mean an equation that contains a root. So here we're asked to solve the square root of x plus 3 minus 2 equals 3. And the first thing that we always want to do when we have a root or a radical in our equation is isolate that radical on one side of the equation. Here you can see we have the square root of x plus 3 minus 2, so we want to get this minus 2 over to the right side. The way we do it is inverse operation, so instead of subtracting 2, we're going to add 2 on the left here. So minus 2 plus 2 makes it go away. And whatever we do to the left side, we also have to do to the right. So we're going to add 2 on the right as well. When we add 3 plus 2, that of course just gives us 5. And then that is equal to the square root of x plus 3. And now you can see we have this radical isolated. It's the only thing on one side of the equation. Well, in order to get rid of this square root, we need to do the inverse operation. Well, the inverse of squaring the square root of something is to square it. So we're going to take this and square it. So be careful though what root you are taking. So for instance, if you were taking the cubed root, you would cube it. If you were taking something to the fourth root, you would take it to the fourth power to undo it, okay? So just be aware that when you have the square root, in order to undo it, you have to square it. So whatever we do the left side, we also have to do the right. So that means we have to square the right side as well. When we square the square root, well, those cancel out, leaving us with just what's under the radical, which is x plus 3. And that's equal to 5 squared, which of course is 25. Solving for x here, now that we have the radical out of the way, we can subtract 3 to make that go away. And we subtract 3 on the right as well. Remember, whatever you do to one side, you got to do to the other, leaving you with x is equal to 22. One thing that I didn't discuss, when we do remove the square root, we actually lose some information when we square it. So in order to finish this problem off, we always have to check to make sure that our solution is valid. And the way we do that is actually checking our answer in the original. So sometimes when you go to square both sides to remove it, you're going to get a quadratic and you might get 2 solutions. In this case, it didn't happen. We just got the one solution, but we still need to check to make sure our answer that when we solved is valid in the original equation. So we're going to take this x equals 22 and replace it in the original. So we get the square root of 22 plus 3 minus 2 equals 3. When we do 22 plus 3, of course that is 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. And then we take minus 2 equal to 3. And so we know 3 is equal to 3. So we know this is a valid solution. If the solution did not make it equal or they did not balance, then it would be called extraneous. But this is a valid solution, so we know we are done and we are good to go.